Okay, Kim Samples, Handyman Walking with Jesus here today. We're going to unclog this shower drain. We've got a shower drain that's clogged up. So I'm going to show you how to snake this and get it all unclogged so it's running correct. So let me go ahead and get started. So we're going to take a lot of these caps, you can just pick them off, and this one you just lift it right off. It's got some little legs on it to keep it. Some of them you have to screw it on. Here's a penny, and we're going to just use a regular a snake drain, hand snake drain. And a lot of times we'll just start this thing. This has an automatic feed on it, so when you squeeze this, it automatically starts feeding out. See, we've already got a little bit of hair on it, so it's probably clogged up with hair. Anyway, this is a 15-foot snake, and I like to run it down quite a bit. And we'll pull it out a little bit and see what we get. Got a little bit of hair on it right now. Usually it's hair that I get out of these most of the time. So let's run it down through a little bit farther. I put it right here close and feed it right in. And I'm squeezing this handle right here so it feeds it in there automatic. And then when it starts to, you can feel it right here get a little tight. It's probably getting stuck on some hair or getting through some hair, so we can pull it up and see. Nothing really on that yet. So let's go a little deeper. Push it back in. Start again. They have a power snake that you can use that hooks onto a drill. But I tend to like this because I can feel what's going on with my snake better than on a drill. Okay, so now I'm just pushing that right through. Now it's kind of hitting again. So what I'll do is I'll come back over here and I'll get it going again on the snake. And when I get a little bit, I like to see if I can just push it through. And if I can push it through, I usually get past the, whatever the clog is. So let me go again. There it went. I felt it kind of pop. So it was probably hitting on the edge of a pipe. See now, I can push it on through with just my hands. And then I'm stuck again. So I'll put it back over here. And let it, there it went again, it popped again. So when it popped, it went past the joint in the pipe. And I like to try to run almost the whole snake through the first time. I don't have to do it again, hopefully. And then right in here you can actually feel how much of the snake you've got going through. Or you can take a flashlight, like I do sometimes, and just to look to see how much of the snake I actually got through. Okay, so I've been running the snake through, and we're getting close to the whole 15 foot. Pretty much the whole 15 foot, so I'm going to pull it back out. Pull it back out. A little bit more hair. It's usually hair. Every once in a while you get some tree roots or something. Get some more hair clogged with that. Mainly hair. So we just got a lot of hair out of there. Take a look down there and see. Looks pretty good. And on this particular shower, if you look right here, there's a penny sticking out here. This whole, try to get that penny out of there. The fiberglass is kind of separated right here. So it's probably leaking a little bit under here, causing it to come out and leak out the edge here. So what we'll do is silicone this around right in here. Okay, we're going to turn on the shower and just make sure that it's draining correctly. And then we're going to seal up around the edge of the flange on the shower. So right now it looks like it's draining pretty good. So let's turn this off. Now we're going to dry this out some. If you can see, this has got a little raise up on it here. We're going to seal that down. This has come up just a little bit. Let me go get a hammer. We're going to try to tap this down a little bit. I'm going to try to tap it down just a little bit. It's got a rubber gasket around it. See here, the rubber right here. So see, that's sealing around the edge. And see, here's the gasket, the rubber gasket's kind of. We're going to bit it down a little bit too with our wooden. That'll seal it. It's gone down quite a bit now. Getting a better seal around the pipe, the drain pipe, so it doesn't leak out. So see how much better that's gone down. Silicone right here to help it. Silicone over here. Now this is the way to kind of to patch it up without having to take the whole basket out, change out the whole basket. So there's a, this way, or you could take the whole basket out and put a new one in. Get us back into business. Okay, so we're putting back the cap, the cover on the drain there, and we got it back on. So this has got silicone in it, so we're going to let that dry for 2 or 3 hours before we put any water in there. But we've got it sealed up. Looks good. Don't forget, keep walking with Jesus. Have a great day. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, that's okay. Thank you for watching.